guys are new and this is the first time you're watching me, hi, this is Upasna and I'm just starting off my YouTube journey. So if you're new, please do subscribe to my channel and it would really mean a lot to me. So coming back to the video, today's video is about a skincare haul because during lockdown, during the past 3 months, I just used up whatever I had. So I thought, why not purchase it, repurchase kind of thing. And I also invested in something new, so I'll also be talking about that with you guys. So if you want to know further about the skincare haul and whatever I got, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's begin with the haul. So the first product I would like to talk about is the Biotic Bio Neem face wash. This is like my second bottle. So this is a repurchase. I have used this particular face wash and it's really good. It does wonders, trust me. It has 200 ml of the product and the cost is 240. I got it for around 180 I would say, because there was a discount going on, and it has a pump right here which is really hygienic to use. Okay, coming to the next product, I got Plum's green tea face wash. This is a pore cleansing face wash and this is the box right here. So this has around 75 ml of the product and the cost is 345. I got it for around 290 bucks. There was some discount going on in Plum, so I decided that why not give it a try, because this is really one of the most talked about products of Plum, the green tea range especially. So after that, the next product is MCaffeine's coffee hand cream. So basically I have been using sanitizers like crazy, and because of that my hands have gone like dead rough I would say. So for that I bought this particular hand cream right here. So this has around 50 ml of the product and the cost is 325 bucks. So I got it for some discount I would say, and I'll try it out. I didn't try it out right now because I have the Face Shop one, like it's almost about to finish. So coming to the next product, I have bought this particular Plum's green tea range from its green tea range again. I got this alcohol free toner. So this is around 200 ml of the product right here and the cost is 390. It's a teeny bit costly for students like us, but then I got it like for a discount, so I decided okay, let's go for it because I'm out of toners, and yeah, this is it. So coming to the next product guys, I got this moisturizer from L'Oreal. This is their Hydra Fresh moisturizer anti-shine icy gel, because guys, now it's summertime and we really need something like icy kind of thing on our faces to make us feel better and a bit cooler. Okay, so I got this particular product. I had one, I had like completely used it up because of the summers, so I'll just open this product. So this is the gel. This is the particular gel right here. So this is a really glass kind of packaging. It is kind of luxurious to hold, and the packaging is really good. It's shiny kind of a box. So it has, I would say, let me see, this has 50 ml of the product and it costs around 500 something I would say. The cost abhi yahan pe I can't find, and yeah, that's about it, and the cost I literally can't find. Okay, so the cost is around 500 bucks, so that's it. I got it on a discount. L'Oreal was like kind enough to give discounts, and I really wanted, I love L'Oreal skincare, like I'm a big fan of L'Oreal skincare products, so I just decided to give it a try. So the next one, I don't know how, like so many products are there. Okay, so the next one is the Biotic Bio Cucumber Toner. If you watched my previous video, you would know that I was literally saying that I'm out of this toner, and this is like my best friend kind of, so I decided to purchase this. I know I have bought like Plum's toner, but then this is like my best buddy. I cannot let go of it. So this is the particular product right here, and this is 100% Ayurvedic and it's the pore tightening toner. So it is around 175 rupees, and I think it has around 120 ml of the product. So it's really good. Biotique always kind of has discounts, and it's really, student friendly kind of a brand. So I really like this. Okay, so the next product, I would say I would go again for Biotique. I got another, Biotique's product, and this is the anti-fatigue eye gel. And this, I honestly would say, this really works, and this has kind of a cooling effect to your eyes whenever you apply this particular product. So this is really cheap, I would say, for an eye cream. This is 199 rupees, and it does work. So this is the box right here. This is the teeny chotu sa box dabba, I would say. So this is a kind of good product. I would say it really works, and it did work with my dark circles a bit. I would not say totally cured, because no eye cream can totally cure your dark circles like magic. But then this one is really affordable, and yet it really works. The next product is Lakme's new launch, I would say. This is their Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Shine Ultra Soothing After Sun Gel. So this is kind of to be used in the evening time, and it's really good. I would say it has a cooling sensation. So this is the particular product right here. It was on discount. It is below 200 bucks, I would say, and it is 50 gram of the product, and the cost is 200. I got it for around 170, like that. So it was like worth a try, and I have been using it. That's why you can see that it's already out of the box. So I have used this particular product a bit. This is like a gel-like consistency, if you see. This is like, it has a typical Lakme smell. Like whatever, like half of the products of Lakme have the same smell, I would say. That's really weird, I would say. So the next product is sunscreen. It has to be sunscreen. So I have been using the Plum's Green Tea Daylight Sunscreen Gel, because I have a combination skin, so I really can't take sunscreens that much. So I decided to go on with this one, because it's really natural and all that. So it is like around 575 rupees, this particular product right here. I'll just open it. I have already used one of the sunscreens, and this is my second purchase, like repurchasing this particular product. So this is the gel right here. So it has a gel-like consistency. If I'll show you, I don't know if you can see or not. So if you can see, this is kind of a gel-like consistency. So if you rub it here, right here, it will like, see, it has totally absorbed. So this is why I love this particular sunscreen. It's like a very good launch, a needed one for all us combination skin girls and sensitive skin girls. I really love this product, guys. You should also give it this, like whatever you want you can try, but then I would recommend that you give this sunscreen a try. This is really worth it. Okay guys, so the next product is the Organic Harvest Anti-Tan Scrub. This is the product which I used to swear by. Okay, so this is a very costly product, I would say. For 100 gram you have to like pay 895 rupees, and it's very costly. I had to save a lot of money for this. So this is the particular product right here. I did not open the seal and everything, because I first want to get rid of all the scrubs I have, then I have to get my hands on this. This is the product which I swear by, guys. It really helps in removing the tan, and I know it's really costly, but then you should go for it. It's totally natural. It's Organic Harvest, guys, and it's worth it. It's like really worth it. So coming to the next product I have is Mamaearth's Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. This is a new launch, I would say, and I have been using this particular product religiously. It's been like a week or so, and it does not do wonders, I would say. It does not do that much of like miracle kind of a thing, but yeah, it's fine for your skin. Like, it's fine because it's totally natural, and I cannot see a bit of skin illumination on my face. But then it does not claim what it does. Like it does not do what it claims, I would say. It does not do what it claims, and this is the box right here. This is the box of the particular product right here, and this is 599 rupees, and you would be surprised I got it for around 240 rupees because I got it from the official website of Mamaearth, and I also got a lot of discounts because I had it in my wallet, I would say. So they give a spatula kind of thing. Where is it? Yeah. So this is the spatula you use to scoop out the particular product, and this is like a transparent kind of a gel, I would say. I don't know you'll be able to see or not. I'll just show you guys. This is kind of this. You will think that there's nothing, but this is like a transparent gel kind of a thing. So it smells okay, I would say. It's not that good, not that much worth the hype. But then I don't know why I got this particular product, because I genuinely like Mamaearth's products, and I feel it does something. So that is the point, and yeah, it's fine. I mean, chalega kind of a thing, but it does not give skin illumination or something. It gives it like a moisturizing feel to your skin. And coming to the next product, again, this is from Mamaearth. This is my favorite mask. This is the C3 face mask, I would say. This has a really cooling effect on your face. Whenever you put it, you will feel like, oh god, my skin feels so good. So it really cleanses your skin, and it is a really good product. It had a spatula kind of a thing, but I lost it. So this is the thing. I'll just open it to show you guys. So I have used it, and it's a huge tub, as you can see. It's a huge tub. So you will take ages to finish, like 3 months or so, 3-4 months to finish this particular product. This is really good. It's worth a try, guys. So you can just skip your L'Oreal. I would prefer this mask more than the L'Oreal mask. So it has charcoal, coffee and clay, and it does give you a healthy skin. I would not literally agree with the glowing part, but then it gives you a healthy skin. It's really good, and it's totally natural. So coming to the next product, this is Dot & Key's eye cream. So I got this particular product right here. Look at the cute packaging they give. Like, the packaging wins the heart of the customers. So this is the Dot & Key Skincare Antioxidant Illuminating Depuffing Eye Cream Concentrate. It's a huge name. So this is the Depuffing Eye Cream Concentrate. It has coffee, cherry and rosehip oil. Okay, so they say to use it twice daily, and I got this, and I really love the bottle. The packaging I really like. It's kind of really luxurious to touch, and it feels kind of luxurious. So if you see this is the thing right here. This is the dabba, I would say, and this is the eye cream. It has like a pinkish color, which is really cute, I would say, but I personally feel that Biotique's anti-fatigue hygiene is better than this one, because I did not see any difference. I have been using this for 5 days, and I cannot see any illumination part on my eyes. So I really personally would prefer the anti-fatigue one. And the last product of the day has to be L'Oreal's Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence, and look at the packaging, guys. Just look at the packaging. It's really cute. I got the medium size one because I already have medium size one, and I had already tried the 22 ml one. So I really like this particular product. That's why I again repurchased it, because this was on discount, so I couldn't resist. So this is the bottle. Just look at it. It has a shiny kind of a cap and a matte bottom, I would say. This has around 65 ml of the product, and the original price of this one is, I would say, $7.99 bucks. I would say. Where is it? Yeah, it is $7.99 bucks to my guess, and yeah, it costed me around 639 rupees, which is yay for me, because it never is on discount. So I just couldn't control, and I just dived in, and I just bought this product. So guys, this is it about my haul. Okay guys, so with this we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys really like this video. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more.